Good morning, guys. Are we ready for our 8 weeks wedding challenge? And it's our first day today. I'm in Kuwait and I'm in the Marriott Hotel gym. And I'm going to be recording the first sessions to make sure you're going to have access to them. Donc aujourd'hui, c'est notre premier jour du challenge. On a 8 semaines ensemble. Mon premier jour, en fait, je suis au Koweït. Donc je vais enregistrer toutes les sessions quand je suis ici, et ensuite on les aura live à la maison. Mais pour commencer, on va commencer sur les genoux. We're going to come into your knees to start with, hands on the floor. You want to press down into your hands, and we're going to go with the cat. So press away, tuck under your pelvis, reaching, and then come back. We're working up the spine. Et on va commencer avec le cat. On va tirer et on va revenir tout doucement. Et de nouveau. And again, and come back. We're just working up the spine for now. And that's very important, especially if you do suffer from back problems. Si vous avez des problèmes de dos, c'est en fait la position, l'exercice idéal. On revient au niveau neutral, so neutral position, tuck under your pelvis. You're going to extend one arm away and bring it back. On va étirer un bras et on revient. On ne bouge pas le bassin. You're not moving your pelvis at all as you're doing that. And come back. Pull your tummy. So even in that position, it doesn't look like I'm doing much, but I'm actually really working on my abdominals. Donc on travaille vraiment au niveau des abdos. Même si on a l'impression qu'on ne fait pas grand-chose dans cette position, on fait beaucoup. And next, I'm going to ask you to lengthen one leg away. So pull your tummy in first, extend one leg away. Bring it back. And then swap. On va étirer une jambe et on revient. Et on étire une jambe et on revient. On étire une jambe et on revient. On contracte les abdominaux dans cette position. And now what I'm going to ask you is to mix both opposite arm, opposite leg. Maintenant, on va mettre les deux ensemble. On va mettre le bras opposé et la jambe opposée. On étire. Et on ramène. Et on fait la même chose de l'autre côté. We do exactly the same on the other side. And come back. Pull your tummy. And reach again. And back. Do not move your pelvis. And often, that's what I see. On ne bouge pas le bassin. Et malheureusement, c'est ce que je vois en général. Les gens qui bougent le bassin. Ouh là 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 là, I don't want that. And again. Now we're going to hold it here. We're going to touch the floor, on touche par terre et on remonte. On garde le bassin droit, parallèle. So you really want to make sure your pelvis is staying stable and your hips are facing down. And reach up and down. Pull your tummy. You are working on your pelvis. You're working on your spine. Your arms, everything's working here, ready? And then hold it here, press. On reste là maintenant. Et on revient. On fait la même chose de l'autre côté. We do exactly the same on the other side. Extend your arm, extend your legs. Left. Et on redescend. On monte et on redescend. On monte, on redescend. On inspire, on expire. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. The next one we're going to hold. Restez ici. On ne bouge plus. On contracte les abdos. Attention de ne pas ouvrir la hanche ici. We're not opening the hip. I know, I keep saying it, but it's because I see it all the time. Je le vois constamment, c'est pour ça que je le dis. Et on revient. Super. On va refaire the cat, tuck under, and come back, open. On fait la même chose, on pousse très très fort au niveau des bras, la tête entre les bras, et on revient. Maintenant, je vais bouger les mains d'un côté, donc on va faire un stretch, on fait un étirement, et on revient, on va de l'autre côté, étirement du dos, et encore, de l'autre côté, et je regarde au niveau de mon pied derrière, and then I come back, I go to the other side, and I'm looking at my foot behind me, and come back. Good, all right, are we ready for some abdominals work? I love abdominals. Oh oui, allez, on y va pour les abdos. Vous savez combien j'adore les abdos. Pour commencer, on va réveiller de nouveau la colonne vertébrale. We're going to wake up your spine. So straight back to start. Tuck under the pelvis, very slowly. I'm holding on my knees here. Now, come back up, lengthening from the top of your head. Et on redescend tout doucement, tout doucement. Donc, on veut une C-shape. On veut en fait la position C au niveau de la colonne vertébrale. Et on remonte. On remonte au niveau de la tête et on redescend. Et on remonte. So we're waking up the spine. And come back up. Now, you're going to go back down. Stay here. You're going to bring your arms over your knees. Maintenant, on a les mains au niveau du genou. On va légèrement ouvrir sur un côté. I'm just opening on one side. Now, can you see? It's my torso twisting. It's not just my arms moving, okay? My torso is twisting. We're working on the obliques. Donc, on travaille au niveau des obliques. Ce n'est pas juste le bras qui travaille, c'est le torso. Et on revient. Et on fait exactement la même chose de l'autre côté. We do the same on the other side. And come back. And reach. Keep your ribs down. It's a shame you can't see the tower. We've got the Kuwait tower here. I don't know if you can see them, no? Non, vous ne voyez pas, il y a les tours du Koweït, là, juste là. Superbe. And again. Open. I really want you to start opening and really feeling it in your torso. Otherwise, it's just your arms moving. Je veux que le torso tourne également. Ce n'est pas juste le bras. And we're going to go very slowly. Shway, shway. And open. Tout doucement. On ouvre. On revient de l'autre côté. Et on revient. Et maintenant, on va revenir complètement. Maintenant, if you find that it's a little bit too much at any time, you stop and you join again. Donc, si c'est trop, ça vous fait mal ou c'est votre première fois, vous arrêtez et vous revenez. D'accord? Extend. Only you know your body. Reach back down. I'm going to go on my elbows. Maintenant, je vais aller au niveau des coudes. And I'm going to tuck under my pelvis. Je vais protéger mon dos en plaçant le bas du dos au sol. Je vais monter une jambe. We're going to lift one leg up. I'm pressing down into my back. So I haven't started the exercise yet, but I want you to feel it. Press the lower back on the floor. And then you're going to extend the legs and bring it back. This is your deep abdominals. On travaille les abdominaux profonds. Par contre, il faut garder le dos au sol. Et on étire. Et on prend son temps. On inspire, on expire. We're taking our time. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. And it's really a difference when you're going fast, when you're going slow. I'm sure you can see that. Well, you will feel it, I can tell you. I'm telling you, 8 weeks, you're going to see results. I want you at home to start taking pictures. 8 semaines, vous allez voir la différence. Mais ce que je veux, c'est qu'à la maison, vous preniez des photos. Take pictures of yourself in your bikini. Then stay, on reste là. On va légèrement ouvrir sur le côté et on ramène. Maintenant, si celui-ci il est trop difficile à faire, il n'y a pas de problème. On reste à l'exercice qu'on vient juste de faire. If this one it's too hard to do, it doesn't matter. You can just stay at the first one we've just done. It's fine. But I want you to protect your lower back. Now, by opening the legs to the side, it's much more challenging for the pelvis. Remember, I don't want your pelvis to be moving all over the place. Le bassin ne bouge pas. Et on revient. We go to the other side. Bah oui. Tuck under the pelvis. On ramène le genou. On appuie très fort au niveau du dos, le dos au sol. Ensuite, on étire la jambe et on la ramène. On étire la jambe et on la ramène. Et on y va tout doucement. Ça ne sert à rien d'aller vite. Ça ne sert à rien. Anyway, when you're going fast, it's momentum, and that's not what I want. I want to see result, don't we? On veut voir le résultat. On étire. Maintenant, au niveau des épaules, j'essaye de pousser en avant. Je ne veux pas qu'on se mette à faire ça, sinon autrement ça va aller au niveau de la nuque et on ne veut pas ça. I really want you to push away from your elbows. Don't forget to press into the lower back. Now stay here, press the lower back, open the legs slightly, not too much. Donc on ouvre, mais pas trop. On ouvre et on ramène. On ouvre et on ramène. On ouvre et on ramène. Allez, 2 de plus de ce côté. Your last one. And come back. Woo! Okay, come back all the way. You want to really stretch and we go back into this one and come back here. And back. Okay, can we lie down? We're going to lie down and I want your feet in parallel. Les pieds en parallèle. Maintenant, on va aller pour le bridge. Hands to the side, les mains sur le côté, pieds en parallèle, près des fessiers. And we're going to tuck under very slowly, coming up, 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 up. I want you to imagine you've got a belt around your waist, lifting you up. Stay here. Then reach back down, 1 vertebra at a time, very slowly. Make sure your knees are not opening. They're staying in the middle. On appuie au niveau des pieds et on va remonter tout doucement, vertèbre par vertèbre. On s'arrête au niveau des épaules. On ne va jamais au niveau de la nuque, jamais. On reste là, on imagine qu'on a une ceinture autour de la taille qui nous monte en haut. Et ensuite, on va redescendre tout doucement, vertèbre par vertèbre. Attention de ne pas ouvrir les genoux. And arch your back, and then tuck under and reach again. Now, it all depends on your level, guys. If you've got back problem, don't go high. So that means back problem, si vous avez des problèmes de dos, vous restez plus bas. It's okay. It's completely fine, okay? So you do it to your level. I will always push you. Moi, je vais vous pousser de toute manière, donc vous le faites à votre niveau. Et on va redescendre tout doucement. Je veux qu'on étire la colonne vertébrale. On étire, on étire, on étire, on étire. And arch your back. Press into your feet. We're going back again. Now this time, you're going to stay up. On va rester en haut et on va monter un pied. Et on va redescendre. Seulement si vous n'avez pas de problème de dos. If you don't have any back problem, you can do this one. Lift up here and reach down. And again, and reach, and back. And reach, and back. Reach, and back. Now, can you see? No movement on the pelvis. Je ne bouge pas le bassin. On ne bouge pas du tout. Donc, si c'est trop, c'est pas la peine d'avoir un pied en haut. On garde les 2 pieds au sol. Et ça, c'est important. Sinon, vous allez vous faire des problèmes de dos. Comme je vous ai dit, je vais toujours vous pousser. Donc, il faut écouter en fait son corps. Et éventuellement, dans la semaine numéro 3, par exemple, vous pourrez faire ça si vous ne pouvez pas le faire aujourd'hui. So you have to listen to your body. Because this one, it doesn't mean that you'll be able to do it on week 1. You'll be maybe able to do it on week 3 or 5. It does not matter. It is an advanced one, and especially it's only with one leg. So much harder if you do have back problem. And then come back here, reach back down. Very slowly. You're going to bring your knees to your chest, and we're going to move side to side. Side to side, and circle. Et maintenant, je vais faire des petits cercles. Releasing tension. And reverse, de l'autre côté maintenant. And come back up. We're going to extend one leg up. On va étirer la jambe. Donc, l'autre jambe est au sol. On étire, on étire, on étire. Et on change. And we're going to change. On étire, on étire, on étire. Now, if you can't touch your leg, if this is too hard, do not worry. It will become better. Remember, Pilates, it's all about strength, but flexibility as well. Come up. On travaille sur la flexibilité. Flexibility? Les étirements. Et on va de l'autre côté. Now I'm going to add pulses. We're going 1, 2. Et on change. 1, 2. On prend son temps. On inspire, on expire. 1, 2. Et on change. 1, 2. Et on redescend. Good. OK, sideways. On va sur le côté maintenant. Je vais me mettre au niveau du coude, mais je vais pousser. Je ne veux pas tomber. I'm going to go on my elbow, but I'm going to push away. You don't want to fall, okay? You're lengthening here. Now, both of your legs are bent. My heels are in line with my glutes, okay? And I want you to push away here. On va pousser au niveau du coude. J'ai les pieds ensemble et j'ai les talons au niveau des fessiers. I'm going to open my top knee and then reach back down. I'm putting my tummy in and reach. Je pousse très fort au niveau du coude. Donc, je ne veux pas tomber. On pousse. Et on ouvre. Maintenant, the pelvis is in the right alignment here. I'm not all over the place with the pelvis, okay? You don't want to move it. It's on top of each other. And reach, lift. I'm working on your butt. Je travaille sur les fessiers là. Yes. Yes. Good. Keep doing it. Excellent. Now, you're going to extend that leg. We're going to press down and up. No more than the hip level. On va aller en bas et on va remonter au niveau de la hanche. On ne va pas plus haut que la hanche. On descend et on remonte. On descend et on remonte. Pressing into your elbow still. I don't want you to do that. Come up, come up. On descend, on remonte. On descend, on remonte. Ouf! Je ne sais pas si vous le sentez, mais moi je le sens déjà. I really feel it in my butt. I'm going to smile. Keep smiling, keep smiling. And then you're going to go in front and then back. Oh. Front and back. Just smile. On va sourire. On va sourire. Moi, je le sens. And then stay. On va rester là. On va ramener le genou au niveau de la poitrine. Avec le talon, je pousse devant. Et je ramène. On pousse au niveau du coude. And off we go. So you're going to really press into your heels in front, and I'm pushing away from my elbow. I'm not dropping down. Oh, I feel it. And reach. Come on, we can do it, guys. We can do it. We want to see result. Yes? Well, you need to push your butt if you want to see result. That's it. It does not work on its own. Si on veut voir du résultat, il faut se pousser. Sinon, ça ne va pas se faire tout seul, malheureusement. Et j'ai essayé et ça ne marche pas. And stay. Up and down. Woo. Allez, c'est le dernier, c'est le dernier. It's your last one, I promise, I promise, I promise. And come back. Yes, you're probably feeling it now. Okay, we're going to extend the legs here. And I'm going to ask you to lie down completely. You're going to have the top leg over and the bottom leg is lifted. And lift. We're working on the inner thigh now. Come on, you can give me lots on this one. On travaille sur l'intérieur des cuisses. Bah oui, on est bien obligé quand même. Sinon, c'est pas esthétique. Lift. Actually, to me, working on your inner thigh, it's not just aesthetic. It's really, it's keeping your pelvis stable. C'est pour garder la stabilité du bassin. Travailler l'intérieur des cuisses. Now, stay, circle. On va faire des cercles. Les cercles, on va monter pour les faire. On les monte. Et c'est comme ça qu'on va vraiment voir la différence et le sentir. That's the way we're going to see difference, by lifting up and up. Come on, we can do it, guys. We can do it. And by the way, something you're probably feeling, but you're stretching the top leg and your glutes here. And reverse, reverse. Ooh la la. Reverse, reverse. And come back, stay. Flex and point. And come back. Okay, guess what? We have to do the same on the other side. On va faire la même chose de l'autre côté. Allez, c'est parti. On se met de l'autre côté. La même chose, exactly the same. On your elbow, pushing away. Feet together, heel in line with my glutes. Pushing away here and lift and back. On veut les pieds ensemble, les talons au niveau des fessiers. Je pousse au niveau du coude. On contracte les abdominaux et on sourit. Sinon, ça ne marche pas. It doesn't work if you're not smiling. Everything is here, is in your head. And by the way, it's true, as we know, as we know. Come on, guys, give me everything. Give me everything. Push away, smiling. Are we smiling back at home? Inhaling, exhaling. We want to see result. On veut voir du résultat? On va voir du résultat. And come back here. Good. Extend the legs. We're going to extend. On étire la jambe. On va descendre, on touche par terre et on remonte au niveau de la hanche. And down. And lift. So we want to make sure we're not going higher than the hip. And I see a lot of that. And you see how you're dipping. You don't want that. Lift. Good. Lift. Imagine somebody's grabbing your leg away. It's about extending that beautiful long leg of yours. And lift. And lift. And you're going to feel it. Et là, on commence. Ça commence à chauffer, là. Ça chauffe, ça chauffe. C'est bien, c'est bien. On sourit, on sourit. On travaille les abdominaux. On travaille surtout les fessiers, ouais. Et on va rester. On reste. We're staying here now. You're going to come in front. And back. On va aller devant. Par contre, on garde la même, au même niveau que la hanche, si on peut, hein, naturellement. If you can, you keep it to the same level as your hip. ideally, that's what I want you to do. Keep doing it, guys. Keep doing it. It's only good for you. And then stay here. On reste. That hurts here, I know. You're going to bend your knees. Bend your knees, and with the heels, we're going to kick in front. On ramène le genou et on pousse. On ramène le genou et on pousse. On y va. Et attention au niveau du coude ici, on ne tombe pas. You really want to lift up here. Good. Keep doing it. Come on, guys. Push and back and push and back. Push, back, push. Are we feeling it? Push and back, push, back. Okay, we're going to stay. On reste là et on monte. Allez, c'est le dernier. On sait que c'est le dernier, celui-là. On sait que c'est le dernier, donc on me donne 100%, 200%, 300%, 400%. Aïe, 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 aïe. It really hurts, but keep doing it. Don't give up, don't give up. And come back. Oh, you did it. Well done. Okay, lie down. You're going to have that top leg behind, and now it's the bottom leg we're working, and we're going to lift it. Lift. So here, I'm not a big fan of doing that because it's going to go into your neck, so just lie down. J'aime pas trop quand on fait ça parce que tout de suite, ça va au niveau de la nuque. Et en général, les gens ont des problèmes au niveau de la nuque, donc on va pas faire ça. Now, stay here, circle. On fait des cercles. On travaille l'intérieur des cuisses. Et on change de cercle. On change de cercle. On inspire, on expire. On lâche pas l'affaire. Et on essaye de monter. You really have to go up with the circle. They're not low, they're up. Otherwise, you're not going to activate your inner thighs. And come on, guys. We want to really work on the inner thighs. Okay. That's good. And last one, stay here, hold it, stay, and bring it back down. Woo, you did it, you did it. That's good. Okay, and slowly coming back up. I know this is the hardest, coming back up. Come on, guys, we've got 2 minutes left. Staying here, I'm going to ask you to stretch your spine. And reach back down, you're going to extend the legs. On a 2 minutes qui nous restent, donc on va étirer les jambes maintenant. Et on remonte, on étire la colonne vertébrale. On redescend. Et on remonte. Lift up your arms, straight back. And then reach back down. And come back up. And reach down. And lift. Down, on descend. Et on remonte. Maintenant, ce que je vais vous demander, c'est de prendre le pied et de le mettre au-dessus de l'autre jambe. We're going to bring our foot to the top of your opposite thighs and try to reach forward. Nice stretch on your glutes here, because I've been abusing it a bit. So I still want you to walk tomorrow, guys. And I don't want you to hate me completely. And we go slightly forward. Oh, that feels good. On va légèrement en avant. C'est un étirement pour les fessiers. Je ne veux pas que vous me détestiez complètement demain. On inspire, on expire. Comme pour tous les étirements, la respiration va être super importante. On inspire et on expire à chaque fois. And come back, we swap side. Other side. You might find that one side is definitely better than the other. This one is not good for me. Vous avez toujours un côté qui est mieux que l'autre. And try to bring your body forward slightly. On ramène le corps en avant, donc on le sent vraiment au niveau des fessiers. On inspire, on expire. Et on ramène. On ramène, on étire la colonne vertébrale. Les mains derrière, on étire. We're going to lift up, hands behind. This is one of my favorites, as you know. I love this one. Because you really want to open the pectoral muscle, and most of the time, because of being on your phone, because of being on the computer, people's posture is like this. We can't have that. We're going to open up. On va étirer. On étire la colonne vertébrale. On sourit et tadam! On a fait notre premier jour des 8 Weeks Challenge. So, well done, guys, and I will see you very soon for your next day. What I will suggest you to do is to redone this video. Do it as many times as you want to, and you are only going to get better and better. Maintenant, ce que je vais vous suggérer, c'est, si vous avez le temps, refaites la vidéo autant de temps que vous voulez, et au fur et à mesure, vous allez être beaucoup mieux, and you're going to see results so fast. On va voir le résultat très rapidement. Alors, bonne journée et à très bientôt.